Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to explain about this MI3's new Android 10 update. Finally wait is over. Android 10 is out for MI3. Google started a rolling out update for this mobile. Most of the people are waiting for this update from long time. Now currently my mobile is running uh, Android 9. You can see MI3 and this version is Android 9. But the security patch is a March security patch. I think I didn't update it in between in April. But now for few people May 5th security patch is also coming. So now I'm going to show what's up about the update. See, your MIA3 will be updated to Android 10. These are the highlights they are showing. Privacy controls, gesture navigation in dark mode. Update is of 1.33 GB size. It's almost downloaded 80%. Updating mobile, it is just like this. It's just starting right now, and you can see it is taking quite some time. It is showing some system finishing system update, and it automatically recognized my face, and see it's just showing system update success pop-up. Now my time and weather is getting loaded. Now just I'm going to show you what's the thing, what's the new thing. See, this is the new option that came. Privacy, it was not there before. And this digital well-being was present, and they renamed it to a bedtime mode. It was called as wind down initially. Now they changed it to bedtime mode. And now I'm going to about phone. So you can see here Android version is changed, and the security patch is also updated to May 5th one. I'm just going to go through this thing. Privacy. See, it's just listing out all the apps which is having accessibility feature enabled. In my case, it is having 3 apps having this accessibility enabled, and here is the list of applications which are allowed to use either hardware and software things, like say 7 apps allowed to read the call logs, and 27 apps of 76 apps allowed to use my camera. See, this you can turn off so that directly once you type any password, it instead of showing that particular letter for some time, it directly shows a star. See, show sensitive content only when unlocked. These are the things. Add personalization. These things are under the Google account, as this is a Android one mobile. Everything they kept in one place. And the main feature what they mentioned was this thing, dark theme. I think this is the thing. Supported apps will also switch to dark theme. It is showing. See, now it is switched to a dark mode. You can see here everything became dark. It's a nice thing. See here, bedtime mode icon, you can put I customized, I think so. It's coming. If you click here, you can add this dark theme as well. You can add here somewhere. I'm just going to turn off the dark theme right now. The other thing is you got a option, gestures option. You have to go to systems, and if you see this is the gestures option. Currently we are having a 2-button navigation system. Either you can switch to 3-button one like other devices, which will give you like this. For clearing the application you have to press this one. For home this is the one, and for going back this is the thing. Until now this is the default one in MI A3 one. These are two button navigation, and this is the gesture navigation, in which you won't get any buttons especially. You just need to do like this, and these corners also you can see two things. If you can drag I can do this like that. This gesture feature is a very nice thing. Whoever are habituated to use the 3-button navigation system, they can switch to that thing, and I'm keeping it default. I'm habituated to this thing. Jump to camera quickly, open the camera, press power button twice, works from any screen. This was there, I think it was under some different setting. Now they moved it to gestures. Nothing new here. Here it is showing updated to, I think this, and another thing is here. It's display, under display. If you go to lock screen display, you can set a ambient clock kind of thing. See when to show under this thing. You can see it is show time, notification icons, and other info. If you turn on this option, it will consume more battery, so I'm turning it on. I'm going back and I'm locking it. See, now you can see here, like it is just showing an ambient display. It is continuously on. That means they provided this ambient display option indirectly. Always on display is available right now. See, if you get the notification, that also getting displayed under this thing. If you want to turn on this, see, this notification turned into a small icon after a few seconds, and the screen got turned off. Once I touch this fingerprint sensor or something, this is the thing. These are the new things added in MI A3's Android 10 update. If you like this video, please hit like button, and please do not hesitate to comment if you have some issue, and please mention in the comment that whether you got this MI A3's Android 10 update or not. Please don't forget to tell that thing in comment. If you got update previously, please mention on which date you got